Peter Mbah should go and sit down and rest. The best thing Peter Mbah should have done is that Peter Mbah should go to Aso Rock and tell his Oga Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is a human being. Peter Mbah is the one that is running out his mouth that is loaded with. What are you saying? Samaba is agitating for somebody. He's playing. What he could do. Too hard. He works to make sure that somebody that is languishing in jail is come out. What are you saying? Peter Mbah is somebody that I don't know where he is. So that's why he's saying this kind of thing. If could be that Peter Mbah is the one in jail, what is he saying? Do what the guy is asking for, releasing and they can let everybody go. What are you saying?
Well, you see that is getting too much.
It's getting too much for what now? You should go to Finland and bring Ekpa'S. Is Igbo not out? Is Igbo not out? Is it not the same referendum and the agitation for liberation? What are you saying? Agitation for liberty, two of them. Freedom fighters. Is Mbah blind? Is he a blind governor? What are we saying? We will see what is right. Somebody will be talking nonsense. These are the people that are forestalling development that is going down to southeast from federal. Any project that comes to that region, they will seize it. Look at, we are talking about no federal presence in the southeast. Who are responsible for that? Is it not the ministers? Is it not the senators? Is it not the governors? The political elites of the southeast, they are the one. So this time around, somebody is fighting for Nnamdi Kanu, who has been languishing in jail for how many years now? And somebody is talking nonsense. Peter Mbah should go to Finland, settle with Simon Ekpa. We don't need people that are talking and talking. Go to Finland now. Okay, Nnamdi Kanu is down at DSS facilities. Go and negotiate with DSS. You are the governor. You are the first citizen, number one citizen of Enugu State. Go. Somebody is doing his own work to make sure that his brother is free. You are avoiding certain things because you are Igbo. You don't want to come and say the truth. Okay, Igbo man, there are people that are saying the truth all over the world. Everybody supports that Kanu is out. And they're playing it down. We have senators in the house. They are playing it down. We have governors like you, Peter Mbah.
But some have accused him of giving out a plot of land to the Fulanis in Enugu. And the Fulanis have been killing the Biafrans there in southeast. What can you say to
that? That accusation is how many months old now, or even up to a year? It's as old as the governor. It don't pass now because the governor is over a year now. Now he has ceded many land to Fulani people, including Fulanis in the House of Assembly, lawmakers in Enugu State. He's the son of Fulani man. That one is not a true child of Biafra because Fulani is from Mali, Senegambia. They have nothing to do with Nigeria. So what do we have in common with Sahel countries that they should possess our land in the southeastern Nigeria? Somebody should examine his brain well. You allow Fulani in Igbo land, they are killing and kidnapping in Enugu State, and you have voice and effort to blame Ekpa on what Ekpa is doing to make sure that southeast is rid of the entire Fulani and Katuriaras headers called herdsmen terrorists. You are the one that is helping and are baiting those kind of people, dangerous people in the southeast, and you are fighting somebody that is doing the right thing. Ekpa is doing the right thing for Nnamdi Kanu to come out. Likewise, every Igbo man. If you ask me, I will tell you, release Nnamdi Kanu. What are you saying? Release Nnamdi Kanu.
The efforts are not tired of sit at home. Because sit at home is every Monday, not throughout the whole year. But what we have at the hand now is lockdown, 1 month lockdown of government properties, not of individual, not of private sector. We have lockdown for Peter Mbah to stay inside his house, not to come out. That's lockdown we have in Biafra land. That's lockdown someone is talking in Biafra land. The lockdown in Biafra land is to put Peter Mbah into fear. For him to know that Biafrans don't want his rule in Biafra land again. Is Nigerian government elected governor or rigged governor into office? Let him go to Abuja and stay there. Biafrans are tired of Peter Mbah giving their land out to Nigerian army to Fulani herdsmen. They are tired of that. That's why all of them agree with whatever someone is saying. Since he have entered that state, Enugu State House, what have you done to protect Enugu indigenes from the hand of Nigerian army, from the hand of herdsmen, from the hands of kidnappers, from the hand of bandits, from the hand of Boko Haram. What have you done to protect Enugu indigenes? He's talking. Biafrans are tired. Biafrans are not tired of someone, but they are tired of him. They are tired of his bad governance. They are tired of him betraying them, selling them out. If you put Mbah, not that Biafrans are tired of someone, let him come and give his own order to cauterize someone, and let us know whom to obey. Is he able to stop Monday sit at home? Are Biafrans not obey Monday sit at home?
Maybe he's talking as a governor of Enugu. Maybe he's talking as the #1 man in Enugu State. And he's also talking as a leader, in the south.
A leader, whom is he leading?
He has people that he has people under him.
Anyway, he's leading Nigerians, not to Biafrans. Biafrans are not leading Biafrans. Biafrans know their leader. Biafrans know their leader. Are you okay? Biafrans know their leader. Not somebody opposed on them.
But do you not think Nigeria will lose a huge sum of amount of money? Do you not think Nigeria will lose money within that 1 month?
That's a purpose of it.
Or do you think Nigeria will accept? Do you think the federal government? Do you not think this will be, because now he's saying private individuals should go to their place of work, and also the business people? But do you not think it's a clash, between the Biafra Defense Force and the Nigerian Army? Do you not think innocent life might be lost due to that, the clash between the two forces?
The innocent life we lost if those people that near government establishment saw what is happening and refuse to go away. The individuals that saw the heat of what is going to happen and go away, there will be no problem in when they go back to their houses or desert that area and left Biafran Defense Force and Nigerian attacking force. Left them alone. Now this is force versus force. You understand? But when you see the heat going on, you want to stay, to see with your eyewitness, to be eyewitness, to see the one you will take to gossip, that whatever that happened to you is on your own. You understand? Although I know that some bad elements, bad egg, may come up to use this opportunity to cause mayhem, but God will frustrate them. Government will frustrate them. Asani Dukubu is an individual, not Niger Delta or Eje people as a whole.
But he has influence.
He has influence. This protest, this last protest, the last 10 days, didn't he ask them not to join? Did they join or not? Didn't as Dukubu make a press, call them not to join? Did they join or not? They joined the protest because they have seen that as Dukubu is not leading them anywhere. As Dukubu is for only stomach infrastructure. I think that very day you heard about his announcement that small time they will say as Dukubu have gone to Abuja and collect money and collect food. Yes, he have done it. Go and collect your own. This is what he's telling them. Go and collect your own. So now the boys have come to collect their own by joining Biafra. The people he's commanding, controlling, have come to collect their own, as he have said, by joining Biafra. So as Dukubu don't have power, don't have right over them. It's what they decide they can do. If they decide today that as Dukubu will never remain in that Greek, as Dukubu will never remain in that Greek. I'm telling you honestly. You see, the way I see things that are going in this present regime of President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, if care is not taken, Tinubu may be the last president of one Nigeria. But he is not trying to look back. He's only looking forward. A good leader is a leader. When he's leading, he will look forward, he will look back, he will look right side, look left side, and look where he is standing to make sure he balances the equation. Nobody is perfect. And it's not easy to govern human beings. But when you are governing human beings and they are crying, pause and listen why they are crying. Rather, you are trying to make things to be more difficult, making a law that will not make the country to be at peace. Now look at it. Someone Ekpa have declared 1 month lockdown. And the Niger Delta come up, say they are joining. And Niger Delta is part of Biafra from origin. No matter how divide and rule, they cut it into two. This one, south-south, this one, southeast. Out of south-south and southeast, they cut it off again, Niger Delta. Dividing one nation into three, or one region into three. To make sure they continue on monopoly they have been holding to deceive our brothers that they are not part of Igbos. They are not part of Biafra. But I thank God for the event of things have made these people to be realizing that what the Biafrans are crying, not Igbos, what the Biafrans are crying is reality. Emiloko, my own turn to reign. My own turn to reign. And my own turn to have the national cake. My own share of national cake. This is what this present regime is doing. Which Niger Delta have found out that it doesn't fair for them. Therefore, they decide to follow their brothers for the struggling. Now, if Niger Delta will come up with all their mind to join the 1 month lockdown, don't you know that they are giving more morale, both morale of the agitators, both the morale of the Biafra government in exile. And this is what I'm expecting them to do. Let them come up, not hiding in the shape of South-South or Niger Delta. Let them come up openly and join hand to hand. After all, during the time of Biafra declared, Ojukwu was the Biafra head of state. Then Philip Effiong from the same Niger Delta, South-South, and was second the command of Biafra. Even it was Philip Effiong that led Biafra troops to meet Gowon for his no retreat, no surrender, for his no victor, no vanquish. I don't see why they will be backing up now and say they are not Biafra. They are Niger Delta. They are South-South. Where is Niger Delta in the map of Nigeria? Where is South-South in the map of Nigeria? Even in Africa, even in the world. As they come up to say they are going to join, I pray to God Almighty that He give them heart to join, so that the cryings of Biafra will totally make more loud, sound louder, and echo more to the international community, for them to know that we are coming together. You understand? Divide and rule have caused Biafra so many things. So I prefer those people, my brothers, that are realizing that they are Biafra. It's a very good move. It's very good, right? Because if they join Biafra and become Biafra and achieve Biafra, the oil in Bayelsa will not be to Jigawa. You are supplying the oil that they are looting on federal level, national cake. But your place, you don't have water to drink. You don't have farm land to farm. Nothing for you. No good. They're not taking you proper care. Allocation they're not giving to you. And you're still struggling. You are Niger Delta of Nigeria. And the Biafra government in exile have stated it, that immediately Biafra resume full operation in Biafra land, that everybody have to manage their resources. Which you that call yourself Niger Delta, we manage your resources. Now, not one person in the another state will come to your place and own oil block, and the you that own it don't have a place to put leg. How much to own oil block? You control your mineral resources. Control that your oil. Not to take God to be begging in the name of pipeline mega contract. No, Now, you are the one to control it. You are the one to export. You are the one to sell. And give what you like as a tax to the central government of Biafra. We should have every right to enjoy your money as you like. Have your scholarship, school free scholarship. Develop your place with the same oil, with the same gas Nigerians are eating as national cake. You control by yourself. This is why it's good for them to come and join Biafra fully. To get their right back to them. What as the Katakaboro fought and died in the one Nigeria? What can someone fought and die in one Nigeria? You will get it freely in Biafra. You get it without gun, without any molesting, without anybody telling you you are not right to live because you ask for your right. Let them come the best way to join Biafra for this 1 month lockdown to prove not only this 1 month lockdown continuously until Biafra is actualized. Restoration.
But do you not think them bombing the pipeline, do you not think that will worsen the situation of things in the country? Do you not think that will cause more economic hardship on the people?
Bombing of pipeline did not start today. Bombing of pipeline have been a thing of occurrence. Therefore, it's not Biafran issue. Start bombing of pipeline. You know, they stated that, as you said, they stated that they will join this 1 month sit at home for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, restoration of Biafra. Fine, that is 1 month lockdown. But bombing of pipeline, they said they will bomb it because of bad governance in Nigeria, not in Biafra. So bombing of pipeline is for Nigerian sake, not for Biafran sake. This 1 month lockdown is for Biafran sake. Therefore, for the meantime, Biafra and Nigeria still remain. If Nigeria don't want the pipeline to be bombed, because that's why they are getting the national cake, then they should bring good governance. They should start good governance. But if they refuse to start good governance, these people are going to bomb the pipeline to end up good governance, not to end up Biafra. You see the differences. Therefore, the economy will affect Nigeria, not Biafra. Therefore, we have learned how to be on self-sufficiency, self-reliance. The economy of individual Biafrans are not from Nigerian government. Nigerian government have nothing to do with them. Biafrans depend on the ability God Almighty give them to live. Therefore, the bombing of pipeline did not affect Biafrans and Biafran economy. Even the Niger Delta, it did not affect them because they have been suffering all the days. Why? So sufferness have become something like a trademark. So it doesn't make impact on them. But it will make impact on the people that are sharing national cake. It's what the people need to make impact on them. Are you okay?
For people like someone like Asari Dokubo, do you think it will not stop them joining the 1 month lockdown?
Asari Dokubo is an individual, not Niger Delta or Egypt people as a whole.
But he has influence.
He has influence. This protest, this last protest, the last 10 days, didn't they ask them not to join? Did they join or not? Didn't as the make a press, call them not to join? Did they join or not? They joined the protest because they have seen that as the is not leading them anywhere. As the is for only stomach infrastructure. I think that very day you heard about his announcement that small time they will say as the have gone to Abuja and collect money and collect food. Yes, you have done it. Go and collect your own. This is what he's telling them. Go and collect your own. So now the boys have come to collect their own by joining Biafra. The people he's commanding, controlling, have come to collect their own, as he have said, by joining Biafra. So Asidukubo don't have power, don't have right over them. It's what they decide they can do. If they decide today that Asidukubo will never remain in that creek, Asidukubo will never remain in that creek. I'm telling you honestly, he will never remain in that creek.
But somehow I know there's a purported rumor that Asari Dokubo is now in Abuja that after that protest you know, he flee to Abuja, you know, maybe due to pressure from,
where
from
do you
the
think that he
Nigeria.
will go? Where do you think that he will go? If creek that's supposed to be cool because it's a water area, supposed to be cool, now it's hot, it's fire, burning fast, where do you think that he will go? He will go to Abuja because he's working for Abuja. He will go to Abuja. He's working for Abuja. That place is supposed to go. Not only him, all the whole people in south, east, when they commit crime, where do they go? They go to Abuja.